I still hear your voice at night, echoes dancing in my mind. Every street reminds me of the way you left me behind. Cold rain falling on my skin, empty room, the silence sings. I keep searching for your light, but darkness covers everything. And I try to forget your name, but every memory still feels the same. Now I'm fading slow, lost inside the afterglow. You were fire in my soul. Now I'm standing in the cold, every tear keeps falling down, trying not to make a sound. Since the day you let me go, I've been fading slow. Pictures still live on my phone, like ghosts that won't leave me alone. I read our old messages when I hate being on my own. Maybe love was just a game, maybe people always change, but I gave you all I had. Now nothing feels the same. If you hear this song someday, would you miss me? Would you stay? Or was I just another heart you threw away? Now I'm fading slow, broken by the love I know. You were heaven in my eyes. Now you're just another goodbye. The stars don't shine like before. I don't dream anymore since the day you let me go. Fading slow. Ooh.